Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm doing a set inspired by the photo shown earlier. This is a fresh set, except her pinkies are refills because they just didn't want to come off. And I didn't have time for a soak off, and I didn't have acetone on hand for a soak off. So I filed the old product all the way down. That's why you see a little bit of baby blue acrylic, and I just filed it down to the thin layer of clear acrylic that I always put down first. So I have BU stiletto tips applied, and I shaped them up with a hand file and cut off the number. And I cut them down to the length that she requested. Now I'm going in with a thin layer of clear acrylic in my number 12 oval alpha brush. I've already prepped and primed her nails for application. So on the pinky, I'm going to do a baby bloomer. I'm placing Tammy Taylor White Acrylic at the tip and blending that up the nail. And now I'm going to go in with a nail bed color that I mixed up. This is a little bit of DIVADC Cover Peach and a little bit of Eternal Beige from EnailCouture.com. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get. And I'm just going to blend that over the white until I have a really nice blend. Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all. And now I'm just going back with the white to brighten it a little bit. Feel it in your legs, feel it. And I'm using clear acrylic to encapsulate. So on the other nails, I'm just going to fill them all in with the same nude color, and then I will encapsulate and build up my apex with clear acrylic. Between the words you say the words you remember. After file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm going to do a little bit of nail art with Presto White Art Gel, and my brush is the Enail Couture Detail Gel Brush. You can use any gel brush. You can get these anywhere like Banggood, Beauty Big Bang, or Amazon, anywhere, eBay. This one is very, very expensive for like no reason, just because it's cute and has like little diamonds in the handle. I got it in a set and it was on sale when I got it. I would probably never pay full price for this thing. This is the thinnest brush I have. If I had a thinner brush, my lines would have been a little bit thinner and a little bit more like the inspiration photo. But I'm okay with doing it different and just doing it my own way. So the best way I can explain how to do this hash lines effect is just to make 3 lines going diagonal in one way and then cure, and 3 lines going the opposite way, and at the very top make sure your lines meet. I'm just going to put some teardrop shapes inside each of these open spaces in the shape of a kind of like flower thing. It's hard to explain what this design is, but I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. And I'm going to put some SS3 stones on the point where the lines cross over each other using Zulays BLING Adhesive. And then I'm going to decorate the rest of the nails with AB stones, and I believe I'm using SS20, SS10, and SS3. After the resin has fully dried, I'm going to top coat around the stones with IBD Intense Seal Top Coat Gel and Cure. And then finally, I'm going to burnish in some Born Pretty Store Chrome into that one nail that didn't have anything on it. And then I'll seal that in with IBD Intense Seal and Cure. So this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking in. I really appreciate the support. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Fireflies in the sky.